How to rent textbooks on Chegg. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go over a few steps on how you can rent textbooks on Chegg. Well, renting textbooks on Chegg is simple. You won't be able to do it through the application whatsoever. So you'll need to head into your web browser. On your web, as you can see, what you want to do is you want to head into www.chegg.com/books. So www.chegg.com/books. Once you do so, you'll be on this page right over here. You can see new more textbooks options add. Down below, you can search the particular book by ISBN number, by title, or the author's name. So search in for that particular book, and once you get that book, you want to choose the rental duration. You want to select the rent option and choose the rental duration that fits your semester schedule. Short-term or semester long options are available. Ensure you select the correct edition and verify it is a physical book or an e-textbook. Note that access codes or digital supplements are not always included with the rentals. You can create a Chegg account or log in, enter your shipping information and payment method to get your rentals. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe. However, at the end, I would like to say that if you have ordered a physical book, if it is a physical rental, the physical rentals typically arrive within 3 to 5 business days. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.